Hi, I'm Bonnie with WTI, and these are my MEGNYA women's comfortable walking sandals with arch supports. The reason I bought it was for comfort, and I hit the jackpot. These are so comfortable. You can wear them all day long. They have a rubber sole, so of course that contributes, so I'm not going to slip. And inside, these little lines on the sole of my sandal massage my feet when I'm walking. They're stylish with any outfit. As you can see here, I wore them with a dress, and they're dressy enough looking that I can do that, but yet styling when I go out shopping, and comfortable again. So I like the good quality. I've had them for many months, and they look exactly the same as the day I bought them. And that's my point of view.